see this platform. This is a similar platform like the previous one. This is just out. I'm going to show you how to make money here. So here you invest in packages. So here you can see different packages. There is this one for 12,000. There is this one for 26,000 based on the package you want, and it brings different amounts of money. So today I'm going to buy this first package. I'm going to come to home, I come to accounts, then I come to online deposit. So I'm going to deposit 12,000 as you can see. So I'm going to click in deposit. They are going to bring a prompt on my phone to enter my PIN code. So here you can see that we are sending this amount of money. I'm going to enter my PIN code and click in send. So I click OK. After clicking OK, everything is automatic. So you can see the notification. If I go back to the message section, here I have sent this amount of money to their platform. So I'm going to come back here and I'm going to refresh the page. You can see that the payment is finished. And if I go back to the home page, let me go back. You can see that I have 15,000 Ugandan shillings. So I'm going to come to the packages. Then I'm going to buy this first package. So I'm going to click in buy. Every day it is going to bring me over 18,000. So here you can see that you have purchased this package. And if I come back to home here, so I scroll, you can see that now I have subscribed to the package. I know my sound is not hearable, but here you can see if I come to my products and my products are here. So you can join their groups by coming to the customer care support, then come here to the official group, and here you can join their group. So it is still new, so you can start now and start earning money. So that is it, guys. So to withdraw money is just easy. I'm going to show you the procedure to withdraw money. So here I'm going to come to the withdraw money. So after reaching here, I'm going to withdraw. I'm going to specify the amount. Here I have to add your phone number. Here I have to add your phone number plus the names. So I'm going to enter the amount. Remember I have an amount of 6 on my. So I'm going to click in withdraw. The minimum is 30. It is 3,500. So I'm going to click in withdraw now. So here they say that withdraw has been submitted. So let me wait for it to come on my balance. You can see the notification has just come immediately, and here the withdraw is automatic. You can see the deposit has come from this platform. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching the video. You can subscribe, like, and hit the bell button.